Welcome to Work Reborn, live from Barcelona, brought to you by Lenovo. Work Reborn is a research series surveying over 600 senior IT leaders worldwide to uncover the key to creating a productive digital workplace. Last report, we talked about using AI to work smarter and stay safer. Now we're moving from AI readiness to AI reality, where technology and human connection are reshaping how we work and thrive in this new era of work, or as we like to call it, Work Reborn. Let's get started. Paul, thank you so much for joining us on the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast. How are you doing today?
Well, very well.
Thank you. Do you mind briefly introducing yourself, who you are and what you do, please?
I'm the deputy CTO, and my focus is to address the transformation of all our business line, all what the policemen make in their daily life.
Wonderful. So we wanted to discuss a little bit about a recent report that we did. And we found that according to our research, 43% of IT leaders say their teams still do not have the AI skills needed for full adoption. So, what is your approach to closing that gap, whether it's upskilling, hiring new talent, or partnering? How do you feel about this?
First thing is AI is not an objective. The objective is the way we transform the way to work for the people. Then idea is to put AI function in the products that use the policeman for this today life. For example, he could, with this kind of product, have more easy access to the information directly in what he uses for his work.
So, where are you currently at in that digital transformation journey in your organization?
We act with small projects, not too big, because our objective is to be with a short time to market. Then objective is to have no more than 6 months before effective success or failure of the project. And then if it's small, we could have some success, but also failure without big effects.
What are some ways you are measuring success or things that you're considering to see if it is successful?
We use metrics.
Okay.
Then before we launch a project, we define what are the success metrics. And then afterwards, we could see if the metrics are achieved or not. And usually they could be medium, not really success, not really. But in any case, it's the business line that define if it's a success or not.
What is something that you've learned from this event that was a positive experience or new idea for you so far?
I think it's comfort my strategy because I see that what I have in mind is not just me, but also other CIO or people,
Leaders.
Yes.
Yeah. So what motivates you to continue this initiative or this work? What, especially in IT, like what is your passion in this industry?
My passion is more how people could better work with what we give to them than the way we achieve this objective. But to do it well, we have to know the better way to do it and to have the good technical choice in order to be
Successful?
successful. Yes.
Yes. And do you feel that it will make sense to work with various partners to help in that way? For example, at Lenovo, we have some offerings to help as well.
We necessarily need partner. Our concern is to give chance to small partners because they are more effective and more. They could change their way to work with us. It's a real partnership.
Yeah.
If it's big company, we could adopt their products, but if we don't like the product, we could not change it. Then I prefer smaller actors that are in our neighborhood
Yeah.
than actors that are far away and that have a product that is quite wonderful, but not necessarily what we need.
So, what do you think the future of work looks like in the next few years, or even in a year from now? Everything is moving so quick, so maybe even in a year it will be different.
The future, I think, is with the business life, with the people that work. And the most difficulties is to have them in the work that we do in order they are actor of the success of what we do.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Paul, for spending a few minutes of your day to
Okay.
come talk to me on this podcast. If anyone is interested in learning more about our report, or you're interested as well, we do have the Work Reborn research available online. And if you're listening to this podcast and you'd like to download it, it will be available in a link in the description below. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure to scan the QR code available here and you can grab a copy for yourself. But thank you. It's been a pleasure,
Okay.
Paul. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Work Reborn, powered by Lenovo. Lenovo is turning readiness into reality, empowering people, technology, and businesses to move forward together. If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Apple or Spotify to continue the conversation on how we're bringing new life to the modern workplace. Thanks for watching.
Lenovo.